Hi everyone. Have you ever imagined that houses could be printed like toys? Meet the Smith family. They are the first family to live in a 3D printed house. Built layer by layer with a giant printer, their house went from plans to reality in just a few weeks. It's eco-friendly, affordable, and super cool. The walls are made of a special concrete, making it both sturdy and well-insulated. So it's perfect for any climate. The Smiths say their home feels comfortable, modern, and just like a regular house, but of course, it has a bit of a futuristic vibe. Plus, they love showing off their unique home to their friends. So, do you think 3D printed houses are the future of housing? The Smith family definitely thinks so,